What's going on, guys? Whoa! Welcome back to another video. My name is Alex Recruiter, whatever the fuck you want to call me. And today, I'm going to show you guys all sorts of beats. So when I was Lil Croof, I always wondered, like, how the fuck do people make these motherfucking beat patterns? I don't know how the fuck they make the motherfucking beat patterns. I'm gonna show you the basic shit, and then I'm gonna show you, like, trap, dubstep, Jersey club, house, fucking... Wait, I wrote this shit down. Oh, it's everything I just said. Yeah, so let's get into that shit. So we're gonna start with the most basic beat of all time, and it's the 4 on the floor beat, and this shit goes like this. I personally like to write my drums on the playlist. So that's the way we're gonna do it, but you could also use the step sequencer as well. This little section right here is a beat. Another beat, another beat, and another beat. We're gonna put a kick in every beat. Blah, 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 blah. Fuck. Blah, 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 blah. That's gonna sound like this. This is the foundation of dance music. This shit just really makes you want to dance. Like, I don't know what it is about it. It could be the fact that it's just so predictable that you just want to fucking move. Now, if you wanted to make a house beat, you know, usually you have a hi-hat and a clap. Like that one. Very housey. This is one of the reasons why I like putting my drums on the playlist, because I can hold shift and scroll up and move the sound. The reason why I'm moving it is because I want that really high transient to be lined up with the kick. A quick trick you can do if you feel like your drums is a little bit too long, you can go here, declick the sample, highlight your samples, hold Alt and slide this, and then I can make it as short as I want. Now I'm gonna make it that short. I'm gonna layer it with another clap. Now we're gonna add a hi-hat. So in house, the hi-hats usually go between the kick and the clap. All right, so this is the foundation of the beat. From here, you can build on and add percussion and more hats and just more shit to make it your own, you know, style. But this is the foundation of house music. This could actually work for hardstyle as well. So all I have to do really is turn up the fucking tempo, which hardstyle I believe is like 160, or if you're crazy like Lil Texas, you could do 200 BPM. And this is just, and that would be your hardstyle, and you can add these too if you wanted to. Now we're gonna switch it up a little bit. I'm gonna move these to the side just in case I wanna use them later, but I'm gonna show you the Jersey club beats. And Jersey club beats are just basically the 4 on the floor with a slight variation at the end. And all I'm doing is moving this kick slightly sooner than it would hit and adding another one at the end. Slightly sooner, adding another one at the end. And you can actually bring this back. I think it would sound good. Let's try it. Oh, this shit really makes me want to shake my ass. But I'm not. You thought, but I'm not. Now let's get into other genres like dubstep and trap. For dubstep, it's actually exactly the same as the house beat, but in halftime. So basically, I'm taking this house beat and I'm stretching it. This is called halftime. So I'm gonna take this and skip a beat. I'm just gonna fucking rewrite it because that would be stupid if I keep doing that. Now these aren't really like the most fucking dubstep drums, so we're gonna go into another pack. And there you go, you have a dubstep beat. Now traps are actually around the same exact tempo. So for trap, I don't have a clever way of explaining that one. You're just doing like offbeat kicks. And really, you know, with trap and with all of these, you can get creative and put them wherever you want. We don't want to clap. So let's go back to the other pack that we were using for the house stuff. And I'm gonna put these hats and we're just gonna go ba 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 ba. Now, I would recommend that you do the hi-hats on a pattern. You can change the pitch, the velocity, and most importantly, I think for trap, is that you can do hi-hat rolls. I'm doing this randomly. I'm not even thinking about how it's gonna sound. Okay, so now we're gonna do drum and bass. And drum and bass goes kind of like this. So we're gonna put a snare every other beat. We're not half timing this time, it's just normal. So we're actually working on a drum and bass kind of inspired, but also like all sorts of like new futuristic sound sample pack. So I'm gonna grab some of the sounds from there. We're still working on it, so this shit's not out. Obviously, we're still working on those sounds. Finally, I want to explain Mumbaton and the way that one is, just because that was kind of one of the ones I had a trouble understanding when I was little. Basically, we're gonna slow this down, obviously, to a slower tempo, like 110. We're gonna lay this 4 on the floor. So we're gonna put a snare right before the kick, and then another snare in the middle of the next beat. All right, one last pro tip is triplets. So I can go here to this magnet shit, which is the grid, and put like a third of a step or a third of a beat. Now this is gonna give you triplet grids. So this is the normal one. Now you can see it's not on the grid anymore. If I were to put it on the grid, it'd sound like this. And that's like kind of like the trap Migos type shit that they be doing. So if I put that pattern here, and yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. But there's actually way more beats. This is just the ones that I usually fuck with, but I want to make something very fucking clear. All these fucking beats did not exist at one point in time. All of these were made up by a person that was like, you know what? This sounds cool. I'm gonna make it happen. I'm gonna keep pushing it and fucking go with it. So just keep that in mind. All of this shit didn't exist. You can make your own. Play around, experiment, do something that's never been done. Be unique, be yourself. Think about the shit that you've experienced and you've heard and you listen to. Whatever makes you you will be the most absolute best shit that you can make. And yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this shit, if you learned something, make sure you give me a kiss. Just kidding. Unless you want. No, I'm just kidding. Hit that like button. Like really hit it. Like just like hit it. Like hit it really fucking hard. Like all your anger, all of that shit that you're holding up inside, just let it out on that like button. Just fucking stupid chair did not want to get hit today. It's fine. Maybe next time. Subscribe for more videos like this. Shoot me more ideas in the comments. I check them out sometimes. Consider becoming a Patreon. I'm actually starting video calls with my Patreons on Sundays. So if you guys want to chat, consider becoming a Patreon. And that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you guys for subscribing, watching this video, liking the shit, following me on Instagram for cool shit because I'm awesome on there. And yeah, that's going to be it. I'll see you guys on the next shit. Peace.